Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time I think I'm gonna do something for myself. Since it's been a long time that we do some experiment, and we did a lot of experiment that was suggested by some viewers. I was thinking of something that I saw, but I want to make a twist with it. What we're gonna do a flip cup, but a drag flip cup. So I think it's going to be interesting. We're going to use about 4 or 5 colors. We're going to mix it, and we're going to use my own medium, my homemade medium, should I say. I'm going to leave you the link. You're going to see it's very interesting. Well, for me, again, it's subjective, but it's the medium that I tried over the years that is the one that I like the most. Let's just say that. So guys, let's go at it, and then we're gonna come back afterwards to talk about it. Let's go and try it. So guys, I hope like I enjoyed it. I hope you're gonna like it. I think the technique is very nice. Again, I think we put our fingers on what happens and why it happens. You remember a long time ago, well, a long time ago, a few weeks ago, I think it was before the holidays, we did make a canvas with a lot of silicone. And I was wondering why it did make some nice flowers. Since then, I tried and tried again to reproduce this effect without any success, I should say. But this time, without even trying, well, you know what, we did make some flowers. And now I'm sure that I know why. First is the kind of silicone I use in a can, so in spray, should I say. And when I do it, it's like I do it in the cup which I'm going to use for my flip cup. I did put a bit of silicone, like you saw, just before adding my colors, my acrylic. And then in the bottom of that cup, there's a bit of silicone that gets on the bottom, that's for sure. So I think that's the drops of silicone mixed with our acrylic that does this effect. I think it's very nice. I think I'm going to do it again, that's for sure. So anyway, I hope you like it. Again, the thing is, the thing which is subjective is how much you move your canvas once you do your flip cup on it. That's something that you go artist by artist. It's never the same. Even me, I wasn't sure when to stop. I think it's a question of feeling. When you feel it, you stop. So anyway, guys, thanks for being here. I hope you're gonna come back, and please, like always, subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care, guys. Bye.